A great sales video can increase your course sales by 30–40%, but it has to be good. So to help you create great sales videos for your courses, I'm going to share with you my 90-second formula. It's short, to the point, and highly effective. And it works like this. You're going to aim for a video that is 90 seconds, and it's going to have 6 stages. The first stage is going to be the intro, about 10 seconds, where you say your name and the name of the course so people know that they're in the right course. The second thing is going to be your bio. Why are you the right person to teach this? What have you accomplished in this field that gives you credibility so your students can feel confident that you're the right person? And that could be about 15 seconds. The third stage is the benefits of the course. Why should your students take the course? How is the course going to change their life for the better? On the fourth stage, which is also 20 seconds, you're going to talk about what your course covers. A little summary of the chapters and lessons that your course has. The fifth section is going to address your ideal student. You're going to explain who this course is for, so the right student feels identified with this and says, yes, this is for me. And finally, you're going to have a call to action that only needs to be 10 seconds long and is the exact steps your students have to take to purchase your course. Typically, click here, buy the course, and I'll see you inside, or something like that. Now, in terms of how this looks in a script, I have here a sample 90-second script for one of my courses. And you can see here that it's gonna be around 250–270 words when it's spoken at a normal speed. And the sections are like this. You got your 10-second intro, 15-second bio, 20-second benefits, 20-second contents, 15-second ideal student, and 10 seconds call to action. A great free tool to find out how long is your script is wordcounter.net. All you have to do to go to wordcounter.net and then you paste your script and it will tell you exactly how many words does it have and then an estimate of how long it will take to read. In our case, 1 minute and 30 seconds, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Alright, so that's the exact 90-second script template I've been using for years to sell online courses. You can download it at grumo.com/perfectscript. It also contains a link to a sample sales video for an online course where you'll see how I transition from stage to stage, and then you can replicate the same. Now, what would be the simplest way to record one of these sales videos? You could just grab your phone and start recording, but you probably need to memorize it to ensure that you're not rambling and making mistakes. Now, there are a few apps that can help you read the script while you're recording yourself with your phone. Just go to the Apple Store and type video teleprompter. You can do the same thing at the Google Store and a few options will appear. I'll also put a couple of links in the description of this video. All you do is you load your script and then you can talk and read looking at almost the camera, and that way you won't make any mistakes. The only problem is that sometimes you can see that you're kind of moving the eyes, so it's not 100% perfect. The best way to do it is either memorize it or having a pretty good idea of what you're going to say so you're quite concise and you don't go much longer than 90 seconds. Alright, so that covers how to write a very effective 90-second script and how to record it, but something that is very important is the sales page. How do you create a highly engaging, high converting sales page? And for that, I have an entire tutorial here that explains the best practices to create sales pages for online courses. Just click on it and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.